Hey guys! Last time I made a video about free cash and got a lot of support from you all. So today, I'll introduce you to a similar site called EarnLab for you to check out. EarnLab is basically like free cash. You'll earn money by completing offers here. Depending on the offer, the rewards vary. Game playing and app downloading offers usually give higher rewards. EarnLab doesn't allow users to create multiple accounts on the same device. But I'll show you a way to get around that. You can combine anti-detect browser hide MyAC and proxy to create multiple accounts. Each profile acts like a new device with a fresh connection, making it hard for EarnLab to detect multiple accounts. To sign up, you need to use Gmail or Hotmail. MailTM won't work for registration. After signing up, remember to verify your account. For the remaining accounts, I'll register them through the affiliate link of the first account. Because the referred person will get a 25 cents as a welcome gift, while the referrer will receive a 5% commission. You can withdraw money via Bitcoin, PayPal, Stream gift card and so on. If you register a US account, you can receive gift cards from Walmart, PlayStation, Apple Store, Google Play, etc. You need a minimum of 2,500 coins, equivalent to $2.50, to withdraw money. To find offers, click on the Earn section. This will display offers from EarnLab's partner companies. There are many offers with high rewards that you can choose from. However, I noticed these offers are mainly for playing games on mobile rather than on PC. If you want PC offers, click on Tasks and select your device. You can also filter by type such as sign up, play game, download app, etc. For example, you can play this game directly on PC. First, choose a game. Then register an account. Using MailTM for registration is also fine. Next, download the game to your computer and start playing. The condition to receive rewards is that you must play 8 matches, unlock part 2, and then play 3 more matches. For survey offers, it's similar to free cash. You need to be the target audience the provider is aiming for to receive the reward. In the boxes section, when you reach the required coin amount, you can exchange coins to get spins. The main rewards are gift cards on Amazon, Netflix, PlayStation, etc. Although doing offers is quite easy, finding good ones and doing them effectively isn't simple. Take your time to research, create multiple accounts to test the quality, and find a suitable way to do it. Especially remember to use hide MyAC for multiple accounts and change the proxy for each account. Above, I just guided you through doing offers on EarnLab. This is a fairly reputable site, highly rated on Trustpilot, so you can check it out. Thanks for watching the entire video. If you found this video helpful, give me a like and subscribe. Wishing you all find great offers on EarnLab. See you guys in the next videos.